Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Eileen Medina Nahorda. I am 38 years old. I am a single mother. I have one daughter. She is 15 years old. She is living with my mother. I have one brother and one sister. I worked before as a helper way back 2017 to 2019 in Saudi Arabia. Their house is a two-story house. I take care of elderly. They are 63 and 66, but they can still manage to do the things. I just assist them to their needs. I assist mama in cooking. My job there is cleaning, assist mama in cooking, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the outside, taking care of their grandchildren if ever they come in mama house. And the reason for leaving is finished contract. Then after that, I applied to Hong Kong from 2019 to 2020. I take care of a 2-year-old kid. My job there is send the kid in the school, wait for her, then cooking, cleaning, playing with the kid. What else? Then cooking, cleaning, playing with the kid. Then the reason for leaving is sir lost job that time because it's pandemic, so I decided to go back in the Philippines. Then 2021 to 2023 I go back to Saudi Arabia. Their house is a 2-story also. I take care of a 7 and 9-year-old kid. The 7 years old kid is a girl. She is a special child. She has autism. My job there is cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, taking care of the kids. Then the reason for leaving is a finished contract also. Then I came here in Singapore. My contract will be finished this coming May 2025, and my job here is cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, take care of the kids. When I came here, they are 9 and 13 years old. Now they are 12 and 15 years old. I want to transfer to another employer to be able to find a new environment to work with, a higher salary, every Sunday off also. And that's all.